Dear customer, thank you for coming to the Leadleds LED video show. In this video, I will show this outdoor LED display for you. This is full-color outdoor LED display. It programs your message by your mobile phone. The mobile phone app, it supports iOS and Android system. Mobile phone, you program your message, and also you can transfer message by your USB disc. The thumb driver transfer message from here. This LED sign with the temperature sensor, so it can detect the real temperature and display on the screen. This function is really useful. Okay, now display the two-line message, full-color message. Display the image and the animation. Display the real temperature. Okay, thank you for watching this video made by Leadleds.